So ultimately, Prospero promised Ariel that he would free Ariel very soon, and that obviously charmed Ariel. And his reply was, "That's my noble master." So, this is the master that I am habituated with, a noble, gentle, and soft hearted. What shall I do? Say what? What shall I do? So we can see he is eager to perform task. Go make thyself like a nymph over the sea. Nymph is not the goddesses, neither angels, but beautiful mythological and imaginary characters, beautiful maidens, okay, as mentioned in the Greek mythology. So, Ariel will make a nymph of himself. He will appear as a beautiful nymph, be subject to no sight. Be subject means be one to no sight but thine and mine. That means be one not visible to all except you and me. So he will be in disguise. As we know, disguise, these magical incidents are very much prevalent in Shakespearean drama. Whatever drama you notice, you will find this one very common. Magical attributes and disguise, dual characters, that we say double role. So different things we have, and this is one of these. To every eyeball, to everyone you should remain invisible. Do go take this shape. Which shape? Shape of a nymph. There is a certain purpose for this one. Unnecessarily it is not done to entertain without reason, but there is certain reason behind this one. And hither coming to, and come properly, written properly, and hence with diligence. Go hence, go from here. Hence, here stands from here. With diligence, that means swiftly, or you can write fast, even you can write wisely. So, be careful in your work. Now, Prospero talking to Miranda. Awake, dear heart, awake. Thou have slept well. Have stands for have slept well. Awake, Miranda. Waking. The strangeness of your story put heaviness in me. The strangeness. Which story? Of the past. Strange story of the past. Why it is strange? Because she did not know the story before, the incidents before. Just that night she came to know about all these incidents of her childhood. So the strangeness of your story means strange stories of her childhood. Put heaviness in me. Put heaviness in me means made me drowsy. The line number may not match the line numbers as you have in the book, but you can easily connect these lines with your book, lines of your book, by reading it properly. It will not cause much problem. Prospero, shake it up. That means shake off your tiredness. Come on. We will visit Caliban, my slave who never yields us kind answer. Yields means provides here. Who never provides us kind answer means proper answer here. It is a villain, sir. It is a villain. It is, instead write down, he is. He is a villain. Who is a villain? Caliban, sir. I do not love to look on. That means he does not love to look at him. He is so ugly, so cheap, inhuman in behavior and look. She does not want to look at him. Prospero, but as it is. We cannot miss him. We cannot miss him means we cannot terminate him from the job. He does make our fire. Make our fire means he arranges wood for us. Fetch in our woods. Next line only it is provided. And serves in offices that profit us. Serves in offices mean in different work. That profit us stands for that help us in this deserted island. What? Ho stands for high. Slave, Caliban, my servant Caliban. You art, you speak. You art means you full of dirt and dust. That is why it is written earth. Okay. Caliban, there is wood enough within. That means already I have provide you with plenty of woods. So hopefully there is no more work for me. That means he is showing his unwillingness to work further. Now we should know that he is living inside a cave. Prospero does not allow him to come out of that very cave. Come forward, I say. Here say means order. There is other business for you. Come, you thou tortoise. That means as slow as turtle. As we have Lancelot in Merchant of Venice, here we have Caliban, as slow as turtle. When will you come? Enter Ariel like water nymph, a beautiful maiden. Now, Ariel is not seen by others except Prospero and Ariel himself. Fine apparition means here dress or disguise. My quaint Ariel, quaint here we can write obedient. Hark in the ear. Hark means speak. Let me speak in your ears, whisper to Ariel, speaking something to Ariel. Some work is given. My Lord, it shall be done. Now Ariel being obedient, just replying properly. Prospero. You poisonous slave, got by the devil himself, upon this wicked dam come forth. You are got by the devil means you are the son of the devil and you are born in a wicked dam. So you are, Caliban is addressed as the son of devil himself. And second thing is that the dam, that means the womb where he was reared before his birth, that is unholy or that is very wicked. Because her mother was obviously Sycorax, so obviously was a wicked lady. Caliban, as wicked dew as ever, my mother brushed with raven's feather. What his mother used to do, his mother used to brush. Brushed what? Brushed with raven's feather, means you can write crow's feather. From unwholesome fame, drop on you both. So unwholesome means you can write evil or something that is poisonous. Fane means the cave here. Normally a marshy or area or an area full of bushes. So, but here we'll use the term cave. So what he wants, that his mother used to arrange the dew from where? From the caves. How she used to get those dew? He used to get the dew using the feather of a raven. And now what he wants that dew should fall on you both this father and daughter. They should die. A southwest blow on ye, means you. The southwest wind should blow on you and blister you all over and kill you, destroy you completely. Prospero, for such curse, be sure tonight you shall have cramps. Means the extreme pain. Side stitches that shall pain thy breath of. Pain means here stop. Thy means your breath. So what will happen? You have such side pains. You will have pains in your limbs, on your chest and both the sides of your body, that it will stop your breath. Urchins are a kind of sea creature. They have the thorns on their body, just like porcupine on the land. It's same type in the sea. Sell forth at vast of night they may work. Sell forth at vast of night. In the vast night, that they means the urchins may work, may disturb you, may torture you, all exercise on you. All those urchins will torture you, pain you, and bite you throughout the night. You shall be pinched as thick as honeycomb. The way honeycombs pinch a human, in the same way you will be pinched by those urchins. Each pinch more stinging. Here stinging stands for painful. Sharper than bees that made them. So those will be more painful than the bees. Caliban, I must eat my dinner. This island is mine, by Sycorax my mother. In fact, it is true. Before the arrival of Prospero, he was the only one to be in that island, which you takes from me. And according to him, Prospero has taken that island, not taken, actually snatched the island from him. When you came past, you strokes me. Strokes means your pat. That means loved me and made much of me and used me. You played the game of love with me and you used me. Would give me water with berries in it. What you used to give me? You used to give me water along with berries that I have never eaten. I enjoyed that. And teach me how to name the bigger light, and taught me about sun and lace. Lace means the moon. You taught me which one is sun and which one is moon. Everything you taught. That burned by day and night, that aglow during the day and night, sun in day and moon at night. And then I loved you and showed you all the qualities over the isle. Isle stands for island. All the facilities or all the characteristics of the island. The fresh spring for drinking water, brine spit for salt, barren place for cultivation and fertile, barren place for living and cattle rearing, and fertile for cultivation. So fresh spring stands for fresh water, brine spit stands for salt, barren place stands for cattle rearing, while fertile land stands for cultivation. Cursed be I that did so. I should be cursed that I have done such things. Such way I helped you. Now you have made a slave out of me. All the charms of Sycorax, toads, beetles, bats, light on you, all should curse you. All the magics, here the charms mean magic, of Sycorax, even the toads, beetles, bats, light on you. So all the magic of Sycorax should be applied on you. You should die, you should be tortured. And the toads, beetles, bats, lights and other magical elements should be against you. For I am all the subjects that you have. For I am, you have all the subjects, all the facilities here in this island, deserted island, which first was mine own king. First I was the king of this island. And here you tie me in this hard rock. Tie means imprisoned. And what you have done, you have imprisoned me in this rock, in this cave, while you do keep from me the rest of the island. And by the way, you took the entire island from me. So next video will be related to the next part. Thank you.